I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Better material. Well, these are just cork. They're just standard old cork gaskets. They're fine cork. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the cork itself, but I don't think it's up to the task it's being given. So we'll see if this comes out okay. I'll put these on tomorrow and we'll give the chainsaw a try. Before I can check and see if it's leaking, I have to wipe off all the old oil. Besides that, it's a mess. Okay, some bar oil. Not a lot, just enough so I can see if it's leaking. Because if it is leaking, then it's going to leak all out. No drips. That's good. Last time I filled it, it was pouring out the minute I tipped it over. Now let's try putting some gas in it. I got a drip. Took a while for it to come out, but it is dripping still. Well, let's see if this one works. Last time when it leaked, it ran out right down the blade and onto the ground. Well, I'm not seeing anything coming out right away. That's a good thing. The oil cap wasn't really tight, so I tightened it up a bit more. We'll see how that goes. Still got a little bubble in there. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's go out and try running it. Fuel cap's still leaking. So evidently those super gaskets are not working because the gas tank is leaking and the oil tank is leaking. Oil tank leaking is an annoyance. It's kind of a pain in the butt and wasteful. Gas tank leaking is much more serious. Yep, gas leaking right down the bar. Gonna have to come up with some other gaskets because these are not working. In the meantime, if you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.